Hello friends, in this video I am going to be making a fruit jelly cake using agar agar, which is also referred as China grass. This is a plant-based vegan product which is the best alternative to gelatin. Agar agar usually comes in the powder or a strand form. Today I am using the strands. So this packet has 8 grams of agar agar. I am only going to use half of them. So I'm just going to take 4 grams of agar agar. Them into smaller pieces and soak them in water for about 10 minutes so they get dissolved easily. To make the jelly cake, I have used kiwi, but you can use any fruit of your choice. Cut them into thin, even slices. I have used 4 kiwis. Arrange them in a bowl, overlapping each other. In a saucepan, add 500 ml of milk and allow it to boil. The milk has come to a boil. At this stage, I am going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Keep stirring and let this boil for 2 more minutes until the sugar is dissolved. The strands have become soft and hydrated. Now let's add them to the bowl and bring them to a boil. And then let it simmer for 5 minutes or so until you no longer see any agar agar particles. It has to be clear. This is a very important step to get a smooth jelly. The next step is to add the boiled milk into this. Just filter them before adding so that you can avoid the cream. Mix them well. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Stir it on a low flame for about a minute and switch off the gas. Do not keep it longer, the milk might start to curdle. Pour the mixture into the bowl slowly using the ladle. We don't want any bubbles. If you find them, just pop it with a spoon and refrigerate them for at least an hour. The jelly is completely set. Now the challenging part is to get this out of the bowl. Take a knife and gently run along the edge of the bowl. Be very careful. Do not accidentally cut into the cake. Now let me put it upside down and then gently tap the edges. Here you go. The fruit jelly cake is ready for extra bit of decoration. Let me cut into it and show you how the inside of the cake looks. This has come out with the right texture and looks so perfect. And of course you can be creative with the kinds of fruit you are using and you can come up with your own themes, and I'm sure the kids will really enjoy this dessert. For more such innovative recipes, please like and subscribe to my channel Fresh Bites.